2006 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, bed liner, trip odometer, MP3 capability, security system, power door locks, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cloth seats, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors, tinted glass, cup holders. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.